So finally, Zion and Chinwe has finally reconciled after the whole bashing and the whole she made him, the whole she paid for the transport, she did this, she did that. They ended up coming back again. It is well, oh. I just hope Ebuka will not shake this table on Sunday, because tell me what she's going to tell Zion about seeing all those things and how she has been the one catering for the relationship. It is well, oh. So guys, they won their wager this time around, because assuming they didn't win it, they obviously go hungry the following week. So they really tried. I don't know what the theme was, but I saw the video late and I went through it, but they really tried. So I give it up to them, because it's not easy. Then moving back to Chinwe and Zion. Me, I feel like Zion is trying to make peace because he really wants to stay in that house to finish up his game. Because what will tear those people apart is when he comes out and sees those videos of how this girl was talking about him and how she was feeding him and all of that. It's going to be bloody. Likewise, Zion spoke to DJ Florence, and then she spoke to Mickey, she spoke to DJ Florence, she spoke to... who didn't she talk to? She was just everywhere complaining and complaining. And I just hope that they no tear apart, because if not tear apart, that one understatement, they would definitely lose it. Because when they come out and see each other's video, I wonder what they would tell themselves. They would tell themselves that they couldn't hold their anger, or they would tell themselves that I could not control my emotions, or they tell what exactly are they going, especially the Chinwe, what exactly is she going to tell her husband or what to use? I'm even calling them husband and wife when they're not even married yet. It looks like a family affair. Sometimes you don't put mouth for their trouble, because they will end up reconciling.